Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and in this video, we're going to go over WorkHorse. We had a CNBC pump today, so we saw the price action go crazy, came back down to earth, but we're going to go over everything right here, right now. So right now, we're looking at WorkHorse on the daily time frame, and what we're looking for now is to get a break of our 50 SMA. So today, we had pretty good price action. We had great volume today, so we had people buying. We actually had some selling though coming in overall. So even though we had the green volume, we saw more distribution than accumulation today. But what I want to mention here with WorkHorse is it does seem like we are starting to set higher lows. So this would be our bottom. This is starting to look like a higher low. And if we start to chug up along, this could be a start of a nice little run. And so I'm excited with WorkHorse because of the short squeeze potential, the high short interest, and the amount of attention the stock is getting. So today we were on CNBC. Anytime you can get on CNBC, it usually leads to a pump. Whenever you're on Jim Cramer, it's an automatic pump. And so with this happening, people may be concerned about a pump and dump. Personally, I could care less about the pump or the dump. This could go up 20%, but then drop another 20. I don't really care because that's not why we're here. We should be thanking CNBC because they're giving this stock more attention. The more attention the stock gets, the better it is for retail investors and bulls alike. So the more attention on this is worse for hedge funds. And so anywhere we can get pumps, I will take it any day of the week. And so when we're looking at this stock right now, I had two scenarios with this one. Either we were going to get rejected by resistance right here, which we did, and we were going to come all the way back down to test support here at around 750, or we were going to test this level of resistance and we were going to break through, eventually getting back above this 50 SMA. So right now, we are starting to curl back up. We still do have resistance right here that we have not been able to break. But you can see our 50 SMA looks like it's going to cross over with our 100-day SMA. So that is a very bullish setup. 200-day SMA is still at $18.35, so extremely high up. I still do think WorkHorse has a lot of room to run, so I am still holding. I was thinking about selling this because I wanted to average down one of my other positions, but I said, nah, I'm going to stick with this one because this thing has the ability to go to the moon, and I am not going to miss that opportunity. I still have this gap to be filled here at $31, and so that is where I have some target levels. Overall, though, we're seeing the price action curl up. We are setting higher lows. Our RSI still below a 50, so we have lots of room to go. We're getting very nice volume recently. You can see today's volume is very nice. Overall, we're starting to get people that are just starting to get in on WorkHorse. They're starting to understand. And so days like today, when I see this type of volume and when I see surges happen randomly in WorkHorse, it makes me believe that hedge funds are covering their position. So when you get a CNBC pump, you're going to be scared because people might hop in on the stock. The next couple of days may be dangerous. So the hedge funds will cover at that price. So you'll see a surge. And so it starts adding on. Once you see that surge, retail investors are getting excited. Like, why is the stock going up? So they start buying even more. And so this is playing in the favor for the bulls. I'm very excited with WorkHorse. I think this was a great day to be a WorkHorse investor. I do think this was our bottom on the short squeeze play. Just remember, it can go up very quickly, but then it can also go down very quickly. So make sure you do have a exit strategy if you are in WorkHorse. I personally am looking at the $30 range as a place to take some profits. Right now, I'm just waiting to see how we play everything out. It does look like we are setting higher lows. It does look like we want to break to the upside, and so once we get the price action back above this 50 SMA, WorkHorse is going to be getting even stronger in momentum, and I'm very excited to see how this stock trades during the fall. I think if the market continues to go up, which I believe it will, then WorkHorse should start to get more attention and shorts should start to cover their position, which eventually should catapult the stock price. And so if you guys enjoyed this quick little update here on WorkHorse stock, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs, so if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.